how to clean inside of oven before and after. Welcome. Welcome to my channel. If this is your first time here, you're welcome. I really want to clean this. My oven is super dirty, and I've been trying to clean this with so many things for a couple of weeks now. I love cooking, and everybody know that Olayemi cooking, love cooking, and this is the result of a baking, barbecue, pizza, and so many grilling that I've grilled in my oven. So I just bought a product and I want to use it, and I want to try if it will going to clean my oven very well. I'm not trying to do that for anybody, but I just want to see the result, and I really want an easy method to clean my oven so I will not have difficult time even after cooking. So I bought this easy off oven cleaner, heavy duty. So I'm going to spray it in the oven and cover the oven for a couple of minutes, then I'll come and clean it off. So this is the product. So as I said, I'm not trying to do advert. So let's see the outcome if it's going to be effective on my oven. You can see how dirty my oven is. Oh, I can't believe this is my oven. So if you're not subscribed to my channel, please do not forget to hit the subscribe button, and remember to leave your question in the comment section. I'm always there to answer your question. And remember to ring the notification bell so you get updated of my latest video, and do not forget to share my video with your friends. So let's just go ahead and clean the oven, and let's just spray this in the oven. Wow, this oven is super dirty. Actually don't like the smell. That's the first thing I'm going to talk about. So it's always better for you to open your window if you don't like the smell. So I'm going to talk about this for 4 hours. So I'm going to go ahead and set my timer. I just finished spraying it, so I'm going to use my kitchen timer to set for let's say 4 hours. Yeah. After 4 hours, come back and clean it. Actually, there are 2 methods that you can use. You can spray it overnight, so that's around 8 hours. You can spray it to 12 hours. That you spray it in the night and leave it for overnight. You can as well do that. But since I want to see the result very fast, so I'm going to leave it for 4 hours. I'm trying to set our timer. I don't know why this timer is like this. Instead of it just like press it, you'll be pressing the minus button to. Well, I don't know. Maybe it's because it's an old cooker and it's misbehaving. So I'm going to set it for 4 hours. So after 4 hours, come and check the oven. Then, as I said, you need to open your window if you don't like the smell. Actually, I don't like the smell. So, and I have keys, so I just open my window, my kitchen window, and so the air I'll get a better air. So as I said, we are going to set it for 4 hours, and after 4 hours we are going to check it. So I want the timer to remind me in 4 hours, so that's why I'm trying to set it for 4 hours. You are almost there. So our timer is set. So in the next 4 hours, we'll come back and check it. Then if you've not subscribed, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. It means a lot to me, and it wants to make me share more of my videos with you and what I do and what are the basic techniques that you can use to do. And also, do not forget to share my recipe with your friends and your loved ones, and leave your question in the comment section if you have any question regarding this video or any of my video. So let's wait for 4 hours, then we come and check our oven. So this is after 4 hours, so let's check the oven is properly soaked. I'm going to give you more tip. So I'm going to use a kitchen paper towel to clean it. So let's start with this place. So I'll start with there. Wow, this is clean. Then let's go inside. So easy. As I said, I'm going to give you more tip about this oven, how to clean it and what you are supposed to do after you finish cleaning it. This is the first kitchen towel. I just show you how it looks. Super really dirty, and this cleaner makes it so easy for me to clean the oven. As I said, this is how to clean inside of oven. So just watch this video to the end. I'm going to tell you more tip about what you need to do at the end of the video, and there's so many tips I'm going to share with you. And as I said, I've tried to clean this oven with so many things, and I tried to watch so many YouTube videos on how to clean a oven with baking soda and vanilla extract. Actually, it does not really work for me. So I don't know, maybe I didn't get the technique they use in doing that, but I tried it so many times, it didn't work. So before I buy this product, so let me clean the surface. And this one thing I didn't remember to do. As I said, we are going to learn more things. So this is the first stage. After I clean it, I noticed there are still some little stain, so I just spray a little and I'll try and clean it. So there's one thing I didn't remember to do. There's one instruction in the product that said you should use a rubber glove, so I didn't remember to do that. When I cleaned it the first time, I don't like how it feels in my hand, so I'm trying to use a glove, the hand glove, to clean it now. So I just put the glove in my hand, so I'm going to use it to clean the surface as second time. So just because this thing didn't remove properly, so I'm going to clean it, and I guess maybe next time if I use it, I'm going to get a perfect cleaning. So if you've not liked this video, please do not forget to hit the like button, and if you have any question, please leave it in the comment section. One thing about when you are using any product for your oven, remember to use glove. You can, if you don't, I noticed after I used my hand to clean this, after washing it more than 4 times, my hand is a little bit dry because I have a dry skin and my pan come out also dry. So this is the first outcome. That's the first tip I'm going to give you. The second tip is after you finish using it, others said you should leave it for 15 minutes. I should put on the oven for 15 minutes before. This is the kitchen towel I use. You can see it really come out really dirty. It shows that it really works. You can see the outcome of the oven. It come out perfectly okay and clean. So as I said, you just need to put on the oven for 15 minutes before you use it again. Then as for me, I'm not going to use it immediately. I'm going to leave it for up to 4 days before I can use the oven all over again. My next tip, I'm going to use my kitchen dish soap and sponge to clean the oven all over again before I'm going to use it. You can see inside the oven is perfectly clean, and in and out is perfect. This is before and after. Thanks so much for watching how to clean inside of oven by Olayemi cooking. I guess I will see my next recipe. Please stay safe out there, and remember to like and subscribe. Do not forget to share as well.